for instance, we are a B2B company, but we're what I call a business-to-user company.
Yeah.
We sell directly to the user in the business. They pull out the company credit card, buy, and use it individually, and then later maybe it spreads inside the business, and maybe later we upgrade them to some higher level corporate account. So that's very different because there people are much more looking for tools and recommendations. They might be sort of discovering business offerings on Facebook and so on and so forth. So they will be, following YouTubers, and they'll be much more casual about this relationship. And so the influencer marketing there looks much more like the influencer marketing in the fashion consumer industries, right? Direct-to-consumer industries. And the other extreme end, you can think of Gartner as an influencer, right? They are, if you get into the magic quadrant of some sort, right? This is an influencer. It doesn't necessarily cost you money to get in there, but they're doing your work for you and recommending you and endorsing you, and that is the authority that these buyers will be listening to, right? So, but it doesn't feel or look, and the kind of activities you would do with Gartner are not the same as the kind of activities you would do with a YouTuber, for example. Right? And the places where the information is found is very different. So there's a wide variety, and essentially it is it could be highly associated with social media, with edutainment. Right, featuring different case studies in a way that doesn't look like case studies. And it goes. It's basically partnering up with somebody who has an audience and has an authority over that audience, and you provide something in addition to that, say the content, or the you provide usually the content, right?
Certainly, yeah.
Or the money. Sometimes you provide the money.